the hacker or intruder is in your network. So if your wireless network has been hacked, that means the hacker or intruder is in your network. That means he can access any of your computers. How can he access? He can run different various types of tools. He can run some sniffing tools which can sniff all your traffic because it's in the same network. So when he sniffs, he can create a man in the middle attack. We call it as a MITM attack. So with this attack, what happens? He is becoming a man in the middle of the entire conversation between you and the server that you're trying to communicate. It can be between you, Instagram server. It can be between you and a Facebook server. So all the traffic will be passing through his computer, the hacker's computer, and it is going to the Facebook server or Instagram server or any other server, and the return traffic also coming back to him and then only coming to you. So he can do anything. He can manipulate your data, he can take it, he can look at your data, passwords, and then after that he can compromise you and your information.